If you want to stock up for December, this is the right time you should start buying your things. Yeah, this September. So that if you're doing sea shipping, then by November, you should receive your items, or the early weeks of December. Okay. So if you're thinking of buying maybe some items for your kids, their shoes, their clothes, the bags they want to wear, yeah, and maybe also thinking about their next section, their school section, and you want to buy all together, do you get? This is the right time. If you want to ship by sea, sea takes 2 months, yeah, maximum 2 months. So it might take more than 2 months, most especially for festive seasons like this December that is coming now. Do you understand? So you start shopping, shop all the shoppings you want to shop. You want to stock up for December. You want to buy souvenirs, you want to buy gift items, you want to buy clothes, anything you want to buy at all, this is the right time you should buy against December. You want to buy and do buy gifts for your customers, all of those things. And you want to do it like a Christmas giveaway or whatever. This is the right time you should buy it. So for our mommies that would want to buy quality kids clothing for their kids, want to buy their Christmas clothes, for birthday shoots, maybe for those that will be celebrating their birthday in December, yeah, you can buy, and against December, even January, February, you can buy against those months, so that when that time reaches, you already have the clothes, right? And obviously, it's cheaper when you import these things. So if maybe you're not buying much, if you're doing C, you have to buy to a certain quantity, right? So, but if you're not buying much, maybe you just want to buy 1 to 5 items and they're all clothes, then you can do your air shipping. The weight per items are not really much. Most of them are half a kg, while some of them are more than half a kg. They are not up to a kg. So you can just buy them and ship it by air and receive it just within a week. You're going to get your items, right? It is the special goods that you ship and you get it maybe 2 to 3 weeks. So they are normal goods, they are clothes. You just want to get your clothes, their clothes, your kids' clothing, their shoes, maybe their slippers, the bags that, those fancy bags. You can get them and ship it, okay, by air, and you'll receive your item. So within now till end of November, you can do your air shipping, right? But if you want to do sea, then you have to buy in kind of in a more bigger quantity, not like large quantity though, but you can buy at some quantity just to meet up with CBM. All right. So I'm going to take you through my screen, yeah, through my 1688, so that we can go through the store, and I'll show you how to get quality kids clothing for your kids, right? You want to buy, like I explained, for their December clothing, you want to buy for their birthday that is coming up, November birthday, December birthday, January, February birthday. You can buy against those times. You understand? And obviously, get it at more cheaper rate, since dollar rate has kind of reduced, right? So RMB is kind of at the low side. So if in case you want to buy and you don't have means of payment, or you don't know how to go about it, you can reach out to me. Yeah, just pay for procurement service. I'll help you buy whatever you want to buy. Yours is just to send a link and I'll help you buy them. But if you don't know how to do it, you don't know how to run the 6880, you can send in pictures. Yeah, I'll help you do the sourcing, I'll help you do the buying and ship it to wherever you are. So to get quality kids clothing, what you do is you click on the search bar and search kids clothing. Let's go for this. You can see the other options coming out, so you can click from the options to get better results. So you can see, so the more you swipe, the more you get to see varieties of kids clothing, both for boys and for girls, right? So let's start from the top. So let's say I want this particular one now. This looks so beautiful and the quality is superb, and most of these wears, their kg is 0.5, that's half a kg, right? Some are 0.50 something. So you can see the product detail. You can see, you can click on the products and keep swiping through to see a clear view of the item. Do you see? The quality is superb. So you can see the other products that they have. So this store has very nice kids quality clothing that you can get for your girls. This is more like a girl store. So you can see, you can enter the store So you can enter the store, you can see they have really nice stuff that you can buy for your baby girl to do a baby shoot, to do for Christmas, for New Year. Yeah, and the prices are really, really, really friendly, at least. So you can see most of these clothes now, for you to get them in Nigeria, should be above 20,000, Abby. I think so. So you can see they have really nice clothing. As you can see, the store has been in business for 6 years, and they have 4.0 general store rating. That's, they have 4-star rating on their store, which is very, very good. And you can see all the products they have in the store is 1.3 thousand products. All right. So, and you can see their return rate. Their return rate is very good, 66.9%, which is very okay, which is more than the average, right? So let's check for reviews. This has only one review. It's a written review. Okay, so it's an automated review. So you can check for general store review and see other reviews that they have. Okay, you can see it's beautiful, which is written in English. Okay, you can see the products. Keep swiping, you get to see the products, the picture review of people that have bought and have, displayed it also on the review section, so you can see it. So they have good store review. Okay, you can see it. So this is how you get to search for quality kids clothing. Let's go back and check for another. Okay, see this one. It's very beautiful. All right, you can see it. So if you want to get this now, you can get this. You can see it. This is their review. You can see the review, so nice. The product is very nice. You can see the reviews, right? So if you want to buy from this store now, you can buy it, because why? You've seen their reviews. The reviews are okay. So see, and they have 69% return rates. This is another product they have in the store. So you can enter the store to check other products that they have. You can enter the store to check other products that they have. So let's look for the boys one. Okay, so I think this is a boys store. Yes, it's a boys store. So you can see, very beautiful. This is why it's always good to check the platform before you buy from suppliers directly. This particular way from a supplier, if you want to buy from a supplier directly, it costs more. Do you get? It costs more to buy from suppliers directly. The one that I asked for price looks like they sell luxury kids clothing, do, yeah. So all this replica of all these designer items, and the one that looks exactly like this, the supplier was saying it was, I think, 95 RMB or thereabouts. So, and you're getting it here for like 57, even with local delivery fee. It's like around 60 something RMB, which is still fair and okay. Look at another one here. You can see it. So you can see their review section. They have nice product. This person is even in Nigeria, and I think, okay, arrive my agent fast yet to arrive to Nigeria. You can see the products. Probably the shipping company sent her the products for her to check. So yeah, so you can go through and see the reviews, translate it. If you, most of these reviews are automated reviews. So you can see this particular store has 62.7% star return rates, and they have 4.5 star rating, general star rating, which is very okay. So you can enter the store to check other products that they have and place your order for your kids. These are lovely kids clothing that you can use to start up your kids, luxury business, or you want to buy for your kids for, to wear for occasions, for parties, for church, shoots, birthday shoots, and the likes. So at least we've checked like 3 stores now. Yeah. So let's see another one. This Amazon dress. Okay. This is a 2-piece set. So you can see it has 5% star rating, 55% return rate, and their response rate is 98%, which is very, very okay. See, so you can see it. Once you scroll down, you get to see the product detail. That's how the clothes look like. That's how you get to see it. So if you want to order, you can add to your cart, or you just order directly. You can see they have really nice clothes. So some of these clothes are clothes that you can even get from Shein Pat Bales. Yeah, I'll be hosting my pre-order group soon for Shein and Pat Bales. So if you're interested, you can reach out to me. Please, if you're interested, don't just chat me and just join the group. In fact, if you're joining the group, you have to pay a down payment before you join, before I'll add you to the group. So once you select everything you're buying, then we'll add it to the money that you've paid before joining the group, because I don't want people to just come and stay the group and be looking. Yeah. So these are the items, these are the kind of clothes you see on the Shein part bill. And how much is it here? 26 RMB. Meanwhile, you can get it from suppliers for like 12, 15 RMB, depending on the supplier. So come and sign up for my Shein Pat class so that you get different suppliers contacts. Yeah, different suppliers contacts, more than 10 suppliers contacts that you can compare your prices from and buy from. You can see they're very lovely. So most of the stores, if you come across them, some of them are unisex store, like for boys and girls. Some of them are for just girls. Some of them are for just boys. Some are mixed. So anyone you want to buy from, you do your due diligence and check very well before buying. Okay. So this is it. I think I've checked many stores already. So you just do the same process that I did to look for whatever kids clothing you want to buy for your children.